take a seat on landing. Thank you.
Guys, now we are trying the Arabic coffee. This is how we and we have some dates.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So firstly, I would like to wish all of you a very happy new year. We are kickstarting 2025 with the most awaited trip. We are here in Riyadh, which is the capital city of Saudi Arabia, and we are here with the Saudi Tourism Board. So excited to explore the rich culture, heritage, food, everything here, and you guys are coming along on this journey with us. So today is day one and we are exploring Diriyah. So let's go inside and see what is it about. It's a very popular tourist destination and I'm so excited because it looks really amazing in the pictures. So let's go.
So guys, we are at the Diriyah and we are right here at where there are a lot of cafes and restaurants over here. And Diriyah, the inside where all the architecture, the old buildings are there, that's gonna open after 2 p.m. So right now we are here and we are finding a place to eat some food. So we are here for next 2 days and today is the first day. We just came last night and today we are just exploring the day. So we started by coming to Diriyah and now we are heading to this restaurant called Somewhere, which is one of the most famous places over here.
Also, good afternoon. Some Saudi coffee.
Thank
The
you.
dates, believe me, it will be great.
So we have come to Mais for lunch and we are starting with some lentil soup. Look at this. It's served with croutons with a topping of cheese. So let's dig in. So hungry. Really excited to try some authentic Saudi food as well. We've ordered quite a few dishes. So let's try it. It's actually very nice.
So we ordered the crushed potatoes and the salig rice, of course vegetarian. How do you like it, Dimpy?
I'm loving the flavor, especially this crushed potato is so good. I don't know, some sauce
This is
that they've
with,
used.
this is with the yogurt.
Oh, it's yogurt. It's really delicious. And the rice is also served with a kind of a dubu sauce, which
Yeah.
is tomatoes, mix of like tomatoes and stuff. So it's really nice.
You like it?
Yeah.
Bon appetit. We are heading to Al Turef, where we have all the old houses, the Diriyah
Mud
house.
brick, kind of a maze. So we are heading there now after lunch.
And since it's a Friday today, so many people have come out. If you can see, everyone just come out to with their families and
It's a very popular tourist destination also, so that is why we thought that this is the first place we are going to be exploring in Riyadh. It's really popular and it looked so good.
Yes.
But definitely I would say that it is worth all the hype. It's really nice.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you today?
You're welcome.
So can you tell me about this place? How old is this place?
This name Qasr Salwa.
Oh, sir.
Salwa, yes.
So a lot of tourists come here. Many tourists over here.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And is
This
it
Trip.
Trip? Okay. Okay. Trip. We go inside there.
Yes,
Right?
yes, yes.
We should walk over there. So these are old
Jerry.
mud houses, brick houses.
Yeah.
So, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Where are we heading? The museum?
Yeah. So now we are entering the museum. Let's go.
After Diriyah, we've come to this place called Cafe Batil. This is one of the most famous spot in Riyadh. We're just gonna come here. This is a very busy street, the Talia Street. Now we are at the Cafe Batil and we are drinking this
It's Cafe Mocha.
Cafe Mocha. It's Batil is famous for all their different type of desserts, especially for dates, and so it's a beautiful atmosphere whether you're. You can see a lot of people outside. It's a beautiful weather in Riyadh. So enjoying the Saudi winter. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir, for your ice cream, sir.
Thank you very much. This is the strawberry pistachio ice cream.
Pistachio ice cream, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Gulfam.
So after a quick break at our hotel, we are ready.
For winter wonderland in this cold weather, we are in Riyadh, and so yeah, it's our first night. Practically, it's our second night. We came last night. Today we were busy the whole day exploring Diriyah, and now we are going to winter wonderland. Then maybe for a restaurant, and then the Boulevard City, which is the main spot. So let's see.
Wow, we
Let's
have
go.
so much to do.
Always. So this is how the winter wonderland looks like. We are right here. There's the whole thing. It's massive. I don't know we'll get time to check out everything, but yeah, we'll be just walking around few places. Are you enjoying?
I want to sit on some rides, yeah. Come on, it's been so long we've been to a theme park.
It's crazy. I think the whole Riyadh is here. It's massive, and I'm sure the tourists from all around India or different countries would love to visit Riyadh during the winters and experience winter wonderland. It's magical. It's so good. Like you need a whole day to just chill around here. Wow. Where are we going?
Wow, the entry is quite exclusive.
Quite
Oh my
exclusive.
god,
Oh.
just look at that view. Wow.
Il n'est pas fou, il y croit c'est tout. Il la voit partout, il attend debout. Une rose à la main, par elle il n'attend rien.
So we are starting with some salads. Shashank is having the pumpkin soup and I've ordered a zucchini salad for myself. What a view of Riyadh city, my god, I can't get over this view. So guys, it's our second day in Riyadh and yesterday was so much fun. Oh my god, we explored so much in a day, I can't even believe. And I'm sure you guys enjoyed all of the places that we visited. So now we are all ready and we are first going to grab lunch. Planning to go to some Indian restaurant, really craving for that food. So let's go. Our cab is also here. All the restaurants are here.
So guys, now we are at Hui restaurant, which is one of the most famous Indian restaurant in Riyadh. So we've ordered some okra, this is crispy okra, butter naan, garlic naan, some samosas and dal makhni with some chutneys. So I think I can't wait to eat this because we have a long day ahead. So let's get started. So guys, now we are at the Al Masmak Palace, Al Masmak Fort. So basically this was built in the 14th century and it plays one of the pivotal role in reunification of the whole Saudi Arabia under the King Abdul Aziz reign that time. And yeah, it was one of the most famous attractions. So I think Al Masmak is closed right now. Some work going on. And this is a open area. I think there's some shops, cafes over there and it's offices.
So now we've come to this cafe. It has a very authentic Saudi Arabian vibe. Loving the architecture and how they've decorated it. It's really nice. Look at who's enjoying his ice cream here. Always a chocolate ice cream fan.
Chocolate and strawberry. I love the chocolate.
Wow. My go-to drink, Cafe Mocha. It's so refreshing.
So guys, finally it's time to say goodbye to Riyadh, but now we are heading to Alula, which was on my bucket list since very long, and all thanks to Saudi tourism, we got a chance to visit Alula. So we are heading there and we are going to be staying there for next 2 days. So all excited for that. Stay tuned.